60 common foreign words used in English, vertical bar. 60 most common foreign words and their meanings. The foreign words and phrases listed here are taken from Latin and French languages. Foreign words, language and meaning. Ab initio, from the beginning. Ad hoc, for the specific purpose, case or situation at hand. Ad libitum, at the discretion of the performer. Affaire d'amour, a love affair. Aide de camp, a military officer acting as secretary and confidential assistant to the superior of general or flag rank. Alma mater, the school, college or a university that one has attended. Anno Domini, in a specified year of the Christian era. Ante-meridium, before noon. Au revoir, used to express farewell. Billet doux, a love letter. Bona fide, made or carried out in good faith, sincere. Boulevard, a broad city street. Often tree-lined and landscaped. Bourgeoisie, the middle class. Coup d'état, the sudden overthrow of a government, usually by a small group of persons in or previously in positions of authority. Cuisine, a characteristic manner or style of preparing food. De facto, in reality or fact. De jure, according to law. Exempli gratia, for example. En masse, in one group or body, altogether. En route, on or along the way. Erratum, an error in printing or writing, especially such an error noted in a list of corrections and bound into a book. Etc., and other unspecified things of the same class, and so forth. Ex officio, by virtue of office or position. Extempore, spoken, carried out or composed with little or no preparation or forethought. Fait accompli, an accomplished, presumably irreversible deed or fact. Gourmet, a connoisseur of fine food and drink. Gratis, without charge. Habeas corpus, one of a variety of writs that may be issued to bring a party before a court or judge, having as its function the release of the party from unlawful restraint. Ibidem, in the same place. Used in footnotes and bibliographies to refer to the book, chapter, article, or page cited just before. Idest, that is to say. Impasse, 1. A road or passage having no exit. 2. A situation that is so difficult that no progress can be made, a deadlock or a stalemate. In absentia, while or although not present, in absence. In memoriam. In memory of, as a memorial to. In toto, totally, altogether. Laissez-faire, French. 1. Non-interference in the affairs of others. 2. An economic doctrine that opposes governmental regulation of or interference in commerce beyond the minimum necessary for a free enterprise system to operate according to its own economic laws. Magnum opus, a great work, especially a literacy or artistic masterpiece. Nom de plume, pen name, assumed name used by a writer instead of original name. Persona grata, fully acceptable or welcome, especially to a foreign government. Post-meridium, afternoon, used chiefly in the abbreviated form to specify the hour. Post-mortem, of or relating to a medical examination of a dead body. Prima facie, at first sight, before closer inspection. Pro bono, done without compensation for the public good. Pro rata, in proportion, according to a factor that can be calculated exactly. Pro tempore, for the time being, temporarily. Quasi, having likeness to something, resembling. Répondez s'il vous plaît, please reply. Resume, a brief account of one's professional or work experience and qualification. Sang-froid, coolness and composure, especially in trying circumstances. Status quo, the existing condition or state of affairs. Sine die, without a day specified for a future meeting, indefinitely. Sine qua non, an essential element or condition. Tete-a-tete, without the intrusion of a third person, in intimate privacy. Verbatim, Latin. Using exactly the same words, corresponding word for word. Versus, against. Via, by way of. Wide, used to direct a reader's attention. Vice versa, with the order or meaning reversed, conversely. Vis-a-vis, one, face to face, with opposite to, two, compared with, three, in relation to. Viva voce, by word of mouth. Vox populi, popular opinion or sentiment.